Well, welcome back. You may wonder what I'm doing. Uncovering my boat. Well, pretty much I got all my gear still in the boat because I was procrastinating. Hoping to get open water one more time, but Christmas, there was no snow. We're 1 week later and here we go. We have all kinds of snow. So this is New Year's Eve, and if I was to make a New Year's Eve resolution, I guess it would be to stop procrastinating, but I'm pretty much gonna have to think about that. But just getting all my gear out of the boat. It is New Year's Eve. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and a blessed Christmas with their friends and family, and hope you have a wonderful New Year's Eve. This is gonna be shown like a week or two after New Year's, so it'll be well into our week into 2022. But yeah, let's get the fish finders off here and get all the gear out of this boat. And then I think I'm gonna have to there's a rip in my cover, so I'm gonna have to go down to the barn to my second boat and get that cover off that boat. Probably switch the two covers around, and hopefully we won't have no more rips. So let's get at it. You ever notice how you have boxes and boxes and boxes of tackle and tons of rods, but yet you probably only use 5% of it? You know, I've never caught them before, but I have 16 fishing rods in this boat, so, but there's always room for more. Okay, I use Grappa Gus mouse repellent. This has been my first year using it. Have I tried it before? No, but I work with a lot of different body shops in the tri-state area between Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Iowa. And there's actually a lot of body shops that use this in their more of their custom and classic cars when they're in storage. So I figured it can't hurt. Try to keep mice out, keep wires in shape, and I think we're about done. We just have to cover it back up, and I think I'm gonna run to the store and see if there happens to be a bolt cover on the shelf, so we can get this covered up, because my tarp has a big rip in it, so gonna have to cover her up. Well, I guess it's a good thing I'm not a short fisherman, but I do short fish once in a while and still love it, but prefer to take out the boat. But boy, this cover is pretty chintzy because it has a rip all the way across. So now I gotta go to the store and either find a new cover or a good tarp to cover a 18-foot boat. So it is what it is, but well, who would think that you'd find a boat cover in the middle of winter in Wisconsin on New Year's Eve? But that was what our New Year's Eve was. Shopping and a big New Year's Eve dinner at Culver's. So but we got the boat covered up again. Just put the cover over the old cover, kind of give it a little double protection. And it's obviously not New Year's Eve now because couldn't film in the dark. But anyway, we got the boat covered, and that's what counts. But today is near 30 degrees, and tomorrow is supposed to start a deep freeze, or I think the high tomorrow is supposed to be like 8 degrees. So, but anyway, I'm gonna get all this back up to the house, box it all up, go through all my rods and reels, and have a winter project, getting everything clean and ready to go for next year. But the advantage of being December 31st, New Year's Eve, is that it's, you know, January, February, March. Fishing season's only 3 months away. So, but thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like the video, and we'll see you on the next one.